Join me as I try out flaxseed for natural skin tightening at home. Can it really be better than Botox? I've been hearing a lot about the benefits of flaxseed for skin care, and I'm excited to put it to the test. The idea of achieving tighter, more youthful-looking skin without the need for cosmetic procedures like Botox is really appealing. In this video, I'll be showing you how to prepare and apply a flaxseed treatment at home and sharing my honest experience with the results. To get started, I'm going to soak some flax seeds in water overnight to create a gel-like substance. This gel is said to have amazing skin tightening properties. I'm using a tablespoon of flax seeds for this treatment, and I'll be applying it directly to my skin. As I apply the flaxseed gel to my face, I have to say, it feels a bit weird. The texture is kind of sticky and gloopy, but I'm willing to give it a chance. I'm massaging it into my skin, making sure to cover all areas evenly. The first thing I notice is that it feels a bit cooling, which is nice. The gel is actually not too bad. It's just a bit messy. I'm going to leave it on for about 20 minutes to let it work its magic. As I'm waiting, I can feel my skin starting to tighten up. It's a subtle sensation, but it's there. I've had the gel on for 20 minutes, and I'm going to wash it off now. My skin feels a bit dry, but I can see that it's already looking a bit tighter. I'm excited to see the full results after a few hours. One challenge I encountered during the treatment process was the messiness of the gel. It's a bit tricky to apply evenly, and it can get all over your hands and face. But overall, I think it's worth it if it means I can achieve natural skin tightening at home. After a few hours, I'm going to reveal the results of my flaxseed treatment. I'm a bit nervous, but also excited to see if it's really worked. Here's a before and after comparison. As you can see, my skin looks significantly tighter and the fine lines on my face are reduced. I'm really impressed with the results. My skin looks smoother and more youthful. I didn't expect it to work this well, but I'm glad I tried it. In my opinion, flaxseed is definitely a natural alternative worth considering if you're looking for skin tightening without the need for Botox. Compared to Botox, I think flaxseed is a much more appealing option. It's natural, non-invasive, and doesn't require any needles or expensive procedures. Of course, the results may not be as dramatic as Botox, but for a natural treatment, I'm really happy with the outcome. If you're interested in trying flaxseed for yourself, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. If you've tried any natural skin tightening treatments that have worked for you, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and experiments, and I'll see you in the next video.